Okay, yeah, this is the quite accounting. Okay, transfer of products. As you can read the word first. Do you know what T accounts? Yes. Okay. And can you transfer the word into T accounts? Transfer the word into T accounts. Yes. Do it now. Do it now. Yeah. Transfer. You don't have to do it. You wait for them to give you the answer. T account. T account. Transfer the words into T account. Do you still remember the accounting equation?
Yes.
Assets
It's the liability.
equals to what? Liability. Divided plus owner's equity, right? Yes. And do you still remember debit and credit?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it increased in asset, debit or credit?
Debit.
Debit.
Yeah.
So this is the T account, right?
Yeah.
So if asset increase, it will debit assets. Decrease the credit assets. Okay. And this is opposite. Increase in liability, you get no credit. Same thing to owner's equity. Increase in owner's equity, you debit or credit. Increase in debit or credit. And this decrease. So this is called accounting equation. And our expenses and so revenue. Expenses and revenue. So increase in revenue, debit or credit. Increase in revenue, debit or credit. Debit. Increase in revenue. Debit is fine. Left side. Or right side. The right side or left? Credit. I have to think about this is debit, this is credit. So which side? Which side? Debit here.
Debit here and left.
Yes. So debit increase in revenue, debit or credit. You are right.
Oh yeah, right.
Because revenue, the more you earn, the more owner's equity, right? So go as in the same direction as owner's equity. What are expenses? Profit, right? Yeah. Okay, so then can you transfer that into T account? Transfer the words into T account. So how many T accounts you will have? You will have raw material, working process, and then finished good, right? You finish good, and what else?
Cost of sales.
Yeah, cost of goods sales. Cost of goods sold. Yeah, COGS. Yeah. Yes.
And
Sales revenue.
no,
Revenue. Sales revenue. Yeah, sales revenue.
it's no T account.
This is T account. It's a T. It's called a T account. Yeah. And this is the accounting equation. Have you taken financial accounting course? No. So that will be.
Yeah, but they study.
Okay. I think that's what this is.
Yeah, very sort of intuitive.
I must automate things.
Yeah.
Okay, so who can draw the key account for us? For that, for the award, for the, that's what the words in this way, that's. It's the flow, the cost of flow, right? I think I have to give you the microphone because it's a recording, because it's a recording. Hello, hello, can you hear?
Yes.
Yes, okay, this is for you. You draw and you put just like. See, that's it. No, that's
Testing.
and you say testing again?
No. Testing.
Why?
Yes.
Why did you do this? Oh, this.
Presentation.
No?
Again.
How about this one? No. This one's better, yeah, use this one, yeah. Orange is good.
Testing. Okay. So, I think they're out of battery.
Out of battery?
Yeah. Because one of them is going to
Yes. And then this one?
testing. Reminds of us of morning.
Good
So,
morning, Kevin.
so today I'm going to do the T account. So the first T account, work in progress.
So you need to have a key account for direct materials, because if you buy direct material, you got to record it.
Yes.
Yes, so you need a key account, right? Yes.
Yeah.
It's better to organize them in order. A BL for short.
ODL.
Yeah. If you buy direct, oh no, that's direct labor. So if you your workers start to work today, so you have to record the cost to the labor. On which side you debit or credit?
Credit.
Okay.
You can say. Okay. Yes. Yes. You can think of, because it's a part of the inventory. Inventory is an asset.
Yes.
So yeah, increase in asset, you debit. Yeah. So go back to your accounting
But
package.
the thing is that the direct labor increase or
Or
And we don't.
you speak about this, then we don't have to use it.
Because direct labor is an asset, and the asset and plus update it and manage on credit. But it's also because because if direct labor increase, so you have to do more labor, you pay more. That's the logic.
Like I said, our factory is opening today. So today from 8 o'clock, I have seven workers to start working. When we pay to the 7 workers, you have to put them in that like you pay 200 per hour to the 7 workers. They work from today. They work from 8 to 5 in the afternoon, so 8 hours. 8 hours times 200. So how much? 1,600, right? 1,600. 8 hours. Each hour for $200. So 1,600 for each worker. You have 7 workers, right? So 1,600 times 7. How much? 1,200. Don't test me on that. Okay, I'm very bad at numbers. Yeah. So you have to put the cost to the 7 workers to the derivative account on the left hand side, because you incur the cost. I'm not sure whether I answered your question.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, we can say.
I understand that maybe because that's the first time I see an account.
Yeah.
But I understand that plus is increasing and minus is decreasing.
Yes. Yeah.
On the left you have debit, and the right you have credit.
Yes.
And direct labor is touch labor, right?
Direct labor is what?
Touch labor.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's the labor that directly referred to the manufacturing, the chain
To
production.
the product. Yeah.
Yeah. And so direct labor is when direct labor increases, so it's more labor, more working.
Yeah.
You have to pay.
Yes.
So it's debit.
Yeah. Yes.
That's the reason why.
Yes. Correct. And always remember, because for a company, all assets of this company will equal the company's liability and owner's equities. Liability, like if I start a company, I have to borrow money from the bank. So the money I owe to the bank is a liability, right? Now I'm the owner of the company, okay? So that is a liability. And then I put into money, the money is mine. So that's owner's equity. Yeah, and then I will use all the money borrowed from the bank and my own money to buy all the assets of the company. So you have to make sure that the equation is always equal.
Yeah.
Yes. So when you increase direct labor, then the next question you have to ask is, there might be something decreasing. Otherwise, that won't balance. Yeah. So where should I put the other side? Okay, because these account equations should be always equal, right? Then I hire 7 workers to work for me. I have to pay them, right? I either pay them in cash. Okay, let's say I pay them in cash. So your direct labor will increase, right? My cash will reduce. Cash is the account of the asset. So balanced.
Yeah.
So understand this.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to remember, when you increase somewhere, you have to reduce some others. Maybe they are the same account or different accounts. Okay, yeah, okay, so continue.
So the next tier fund will be MOA.
MOH, or how about working process? Yeah, not finished today. They work for 8 hours, but the product are not finished. Still working process. WIP. Okay, so you will transfer your direct labor to working. Yeah. And for this, we have to reduce that, and this will go here. Right? How much you put into your direct labor has to transfer to the working process. And also, you have direct material. You give your direct, you use your workers to use this direct material to produce the product, but that product are not finished yet. So you have another material, right?
Yes.
And this is also added. So you buy, yeah. And then when you use this material, your material will be reduced.
Yeah.
And this one goes to here, right? So this is called cost of law. Yeah, the cost of law. Okay, yeah. So you put into direct labor and you put into direct material, and the supervisor of the factory is supervising their works. How about the cost to the supervisor? Yeah. Yeah. You have manufacturing overhead, right?
Yeah.
And then increase. Okay. And then transfer to working process. Yeah, then, yeah, and then price. Yeah, also, yeah. Well, after 1 week, it's the product has been reached. Yeah, so you have to energy. Okay. So you should reduce this first because they are finished, right?
And then you go.
Yes, yes,
Finish it with.
yes. Okay, so this is finished. They are all assets. So when they are increased, always put on the left hand side.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, when they are reduced, always on the right hand side. Yeah. Okay, finish good. Okay, and when you sell the product, you
have to.
O-G-S. When the manufacturer sells its finished goods to customers, the costs are transferred from finished goods to cost of goods sold. We call it COGS. It's correct. Yes, because this one is this, right? So this is expense and this is expense. If it's increase in expense, we are on it. So that's correct, right? Because we minus here, so we have to do that credit here, we have to do that here. So balance. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, we may also have revenue. So revenue is this side. So that is the cost of loan. Okay, yeah, so understand? Yeah, good. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. Very good. So I'm reviewing the key accounts for you. That is very useful. Yeah. Yeah.
It's cost of growing.
Cost of loan, yeah. Okay, and let me see what's next. Oh, here. Yeah, okay, so, inventory includes, direct labor, direct material, working process, and finished good manufacturing overhead. Okay, yeah, and they are balance sheets accounts. Okay, I think it's big hard for for you worship be quite easy, right? Yeah. Okay. So inventory is balance sheet account. And cost of goods sold is an income statement account. You have to remember this because later you have to, because for managerial accounting, to read income statement is very important. Yeah. So, expenses, revenue are income statement accounts. Okay, there. Expenses and revenue are income statement account, and direct labor, direct material, work in process, finished goods, manufacturing overhead are balance sheet accounts. They are all included in inventory. Okay, so inventory is a balance sheet account, and they are called the product cost. Okay, and period costs include all selling and administrative costs. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so understand everything for today? I think that's all for today. So do you have any questions? I think you all understand and can memorize, right? And you can say that about with your own words. Excellent. Yeah, excellent. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, so see you next time. Yeah. Which of the following costs would be considered a period rather than a product cost in a manufacturing company? Period cost? Period. Yeah, period. Yeah.
E.
B,
E.
B and E. B and E. Agree? Do you agree? Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, you are always missed. That's correct. Yeah, good. Yeah. And the others are product costs.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. Okay, see you next time.